Okay, I am in my kitchen, and that means my Black Friday present that I ordered for myself and my family came. So let's do an unpacking. As you can see, it is a delonghi coffee machine. I have never had a super automatic coffee machine before. This is my first one, but it's my second from delonghi. And I really hope that it is going to be fantastic coffee from now on. Streets of